Good morning, students. Today I have come with a new unit, Unit 6, Green Skills. Green Skill I have divided in 4 videos. In the first video, I will give introduction on green skills. Students, to achieve the aim of more sustainable economy and society, the concept of green jobs came into existence. The main objective of a sustainable society is judicially using the natural resources for the present and future generation. In 2008, the United Nations Environmental Program, the International Labour Organization, the International Trade Union Confederation, and the International Employers Organization jointly launched the Green Job Initiative. The purpose is to bring a just transition to a green economy by providing space for workers, employers, and governments to negotiate on policy effective in providing equitable opportunity to green jobs. Now here, what is green job? The report defines green job as work in agriculture, industry, services, and administration that contributes to preserving or restoring the quality of the environment. Green job reduce the environmental impact of enterprises and economic sector, ultimately to levels that are sustainable. Students, green jobs are found in many sectors of the economy, from energy supply to recycling, and from agriculture and construction to transportation. They help to cut the consumption of energy, raw materials, and water through high efficiency strategies to decarbonize the economy and reduce greenhouse emission, to minimize or avoid altogether all forms of waste and pollution, to protect and restore ecosystems and biodiversity. Students, green jobs plays a crucial role in reducing the environmental footprint of economic activity. This reduction is gradual, and the different jobs contribute to different degrees. Workers manufacturing fuel efficient or hybrid car, for example, contribute less to reducing emission from transport than those working in public transport systems. The notion of a green job is not absolute, but there are shades of green, and the notion will evolve over time. Until now, there has been much subjective evidence indicating that the pattern of employment is indeed changing and that new jobs are beginning to emerge in favor of greener, cleaner, and more sustainable occupations. Now, my next topic is what are the key drivers of green employment? Green innovation helps businesses stay at the cutting edge, retaining existing job and creating new ones. Student, in modern economies, mobilize huge quantities of fuels, metals, minerals, lumber, and agricultural raw materials. Although some changes have been made in past decades to reduce the world's economy's environmental impact, these gains are insufficient and may simply be overcome by continued economic growth. In view of gathering environmental crisis and especially the aspect of climate change, there is an urgent need to make economies far more sustainable and thus to re-examine the prevailing production and consumption model. Concepts such as dematerialization, remanufacturing, zero waste, closed loop systems, durability, and replacing product purchases with efficient services such as performance contracting have been discussed for some time and tested in some instances, but by and large have yet to be translated into reality. Economic system that are able to churn out huge volumes of product but require less and less labor to do so pose the dual challenge of environmental impact and unemployment. In the future, not only do jobs need to be greener, their very essence may need to be redefined. Now, the next part is benefits of green job. The greening of economy presents a major opportunity to start new businesses, developing new markets and lower energy cost. Green jobs that contribute to protecting the environment and reducing carbon footprint are becoming a key economic driver of the 21st century. Green job helps increase the efficiency of energy and raw material. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions. It controls waste and pollution. It protect and restore ecosystems. It support adaptation to the effect of climate change. I hope this video has given you an idea on green job. Now, in the next video, I will be discussing the green jobs in details. I hope this topic has helped you a lot. Thank you, my dear.